Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee from the Skill Builder channel, back with another 2-minute tip for you. Now, if you've got a pair of these clamps, as a lot of people have, you may not know that not only can you use them as a very effective clamp, but you can also use them to spread things apart. And that's done quite a lot by the professionals. And if you look here, they've put push here, but sometimes they don't. You just have to find your way around. And if you do that, you'll see that the end comes off the clamp. So what we can then do is we can slide that bit down there, and we can put this end onto there. And as soon as we get it on there, click it back. That's what that hole is for on that end. And now you see what we've got here is a spreader clamp, or a spreader, rather than a clamp. And that is a very, very powerful way of prizing and forcing things apart, if that's what you're trying to do. So that's a way of doubling the use out of your clamp. And as I say, it works with this Irwin Quick-Grip, but it also works with many other clamps. I'm Roger Bisbee. I hope you found that useful. Come back and see us soon on Skill Builder for more 2-minute tips.